Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be going over the G major chord in root position, first inversion, second inversion, and how to play the G major chord with both hands. To start, play the G note, followed by the B note, followed by the D note. When played together, that creates the G major chord in the root position. If you move over and start with the B note, followed by the D note, followed by the G note, that's the first inversion of the G major chord. And if you move over once more, starting with the D, followed by the G note, followed by the B note, that creates the second inversion of the G major. And if you'd like to add the root position, you can create a fuller sounding G major chord, or you can just play the same pattern, once again on a separate octave, and that's also a G major chord. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any comments or questions down below in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.